Top 10 gadgets you need during Christmas. This holiday season is upon us, and what better way to spoil your loved ones, or yourself, than with the latest gadgets? With all of the newest technologies out there, it can be hard to narrow down which products are worthy of a spot on your shopping list. Don't worry though, we've got you covered with this comprehensive guide on the top 10 gadgets that you need during Christmas. Whether you're looking for a new phone, laptop, or gaming console, these picks will make sure that your holiday shopping spree will be anything but boring. Number 1. Smart Speaker. Smart speakers like Amazon Echo and Google Home offer a great way to stay connected with family and friends while enjoying your holiday music. With Amazon Echo, you can control your music, get information, and manage tasks hand-free. Just ask. The Echo is always ready to help. With 7 microphones and beamforming technology, Echo can hear you from across the room, and even when music's playing. You can also use Echo to connect to other devices in your home, such as lights, switches, and thermostats with compatible Wemo, Philips Hue, and Nest products. Plus, with Alexa Voice Remote, you can control power on your TV, soundbar, and AV. Number 2. Game Console. Whether you're playing solo or competing against your friends, a game console can provide hours of fun over the holidays. Look for one with 4K resolution and virtual reality capabilities for an even more immersive experience. The PlayStation 5 is Sony's newest gaming console. It features advanced hardware and software capabilities to deliver high-resolution graphics and smooth gameplay in 4K resolution. With an ultra-fast solid-state drive, the PS5 cuts loading times significantly compared to the previous generation of consoles. Additionally, it incorporates innovative technologies such as 3D audio and haptic feedback that allows players to hear and feel the action in their games. The new DualSense controller also introduces a more immersive gaming experience with its adaptive triggers, improved ergonomics, and built-in microphone for voice chat. Whether you're playing solo or with friends online, the PlayStation 5 is sure to provide hours of fun. So grab your headset and get ready to enjoy the future of gaming. Number 3. Wearable technology. Smartwatches, fitness trackers, and virtual reality gadgets are all great gifts for the tech-savvy people in your life. Fitbit is one of the most popular fitness trackers on the market today. It has an array of features that allow users to set goals, monitor their activity levels, record sleep patterns, analyze trends in their body composition, and more. The device also has Bluetooth connectivity for easy data sync with other compatible devices like smartphones or computers. An Apple Watch is another popular choice among users wanting a comprehensive health tracking solution. Its advanced sensors measure physical activities such as heart rate and steps taken while providing detailed insight into your overall health and fitness data. It also supports a variety of apps that allow users to customize their experience. Number 4. Smartphone accessories. From power banks to wireless chargers, there are plenty of gadgets that can make using a smartphone easier and more enjoyable. Wireless charging of phones has become increasingly popular because of its convenience. It eliminates the need for cords and cables, saving time and hassle. Number 5. Portable Bluetooth speakers. Perfect for those Christmas parties, these speakers let you stream your favorite music from anywhere in the house, like the Bose SoundLink Flex or Tribit Stormbox Micro 2. Number 6. Virtual reality headsets. Whether you're playing games or watching movies, these headsets provide an immersive experience like no other gadget on the market today. Gather the family so each member can use the headset. It could be a lot of fun for the whole family. Number 7. Drones. Drones have become increasingly popular gadgets during the holiday season, offering fun aerial photography that you won't find anywhere else. Taking videos and photos from a bird's eye view is something incredible, and drones come in all sizes, shapes, and cost. Number 8. Action cameras. If you're looking for a fun way to document all the holiday memories, an action camera like GoPro is the perfect gift. Most action cameras work as well underwater as on land. There's also a lot of accessories you can use with your action camera. Depends on what you're going to use it for. Number 9. Smart TV. Upgrade your television viewing experience with a smart TV and enjoy streaming movies and shows from anywhere in the world. The technology moves fast. Having a TV from 2015 and 2022 is a major difference. Both the picture and sound has changed a lot, and it's still changing. Number 10. Headphones. Whether it's over-ear or earbuds, headphones are always a great gift this time of year. Look for ones that offer noise-canceling technology so you can really get lost in your favorite music. Be sure to read some reviews before buying. So those are our top 10 gadgets you need this Christmas. We hope you enjoyed reading and found some inspiration for your own wish list. Christmas is a time for giving, so be sure to share this post with your friends and family to help them out with their holiday shopping. And don't forget to let us know what the top gadget on your Christmas list is in the comments below. If you want more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe.